Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to remove the partition in your USB flash drive. So as you can see here, I am having two drives in USB alone. One is D and E. So my USB drive is actually around 29 GB in size, and if I go to the properties, this is just around 500 MB and this one is around 246 MB in size. So the rest of the space is unoccupied. So let's get started with the solution. First thing is, make sure that you are formatting both of these. So right click and select format. You can just do this. Yep, that is done. And again do the same for the other drive also. Right click and select format. Just go to search and type CMD. We'll be having this command prompt, okay, and here just click on this run as administrator, select yes, and here we need to run a few commands. So the first one is diskpart and hit enter. So we will be getting this diskpart shell. Here type list disk, and here we'll be getting basically the list of the SSD, the hard drives and our USB connected. So in my case, the first one belongs to SSD, which is around 238 GB in size, and disk 1 is 28 GB, which is my USB flash drive. So in your case it may vary, like let's suppose say you are having your hard disk also, this USB drive could be in disk 2, okay, 0 will be SSD, 1 will be hard drive and 2 will be USB. So you need to be careful in spotting the USB drive. In my case it is disk 1, okay, and next step is we need to select that particular USB disk. So in my case it is disk 1, so it's going to be select space disk space the number 1. So disk 1 is now selected. So now we need to list the partition just to confirm. So it's going to be list space partition, just to verify that we have selected the correct USB disk and not the hard drive. So here it shows, right, primary, secondary system, the exact storage that we saw earlier, 256 MB and 512 MB. So this is the correct one that we have selected. Now let's remove all the partitions. So for that, just type clean. Diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk. After clean, we need to create a new single partition. So for that, just type create partition primary and hit enter, and that's it, it has created it. Now let's format it. So for that, just type format space fs equal to fat32 space quick, hit enter, and 100% completed and the disk has been formatted. Next one is going to be assign, hit enter, successfully assigned, and as you can see here we are having the USB drive E, and the final thing is just exit it, that's it. And now if I go here, as you can see I'm only having one drive, which is USB drive E, and if I go to the properties, I have got my 28 GB of free space which wasn't available earlier. So another change what we can do is we can format this in a different file system, because FAT32 can only accommodate a maximum file size of 4 GB. Okay, so in case if you are having like any file greater than 4 GB, it may throw up some error or warning. So for that, what we can do is we can format in another file system type. So just right click on your USB drive, and here we are having the option called as format, and just click the file system and go to exFAT, okay, and click on start, click on OK. So this is just a optional one, you can just do this, and again go here, go to properties, and this time the file system is exFAT. That's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. subscribe me. Thanks for watching.